Okay, good day. This video is a quick one. I want to show you how to connect your MT4 platform or platforms to Myfxbook. The reason being that you need to actually know how your account is performing, and not just looking at the profit at the end or loss at the end of a day or a month or something like that. You need to see the health status of your account and how you're trading. So what your win rates are, what your reward to risk ratio is, the standard deviation on the account, the number of trades you've taken, how many pips you've made. Instead of trying to calculate all those things from the numbers, it's going to be difficult for you to do it yourself. But this platform here is able to display those results for you, just like it has on this image here. And so simply all you need to do is to go to myfxbook.com. That simple. Myfxbook.com. When you come here, it allows you to then set up a new account to them. It is free. They don't charge you for that. So all you need to do is just to set up a new account, and they will send you an activation email. So just ensure that you have set it up with a valid email address. And so they will send you an activation email. You need to go deactivate it. And after you're done, you then want to come back here and sign into your account. So this is me now signing into the account, log in. Boom, I'm in the account now. So this is me behind my own account, and this is the home page. Now what you will normally do then is to go to portfolio and select the account you want to display. I have quite a few here. I've been doing this for a number of years, so I've got quite a few accounts here that I have here, but for you it will be blank. You don't have any, and so where you want to go to is to go to add account. Boom, add account. So yours will be blank here, but it is what it is on mine. And so you want to go to add account. So when you get to add account, now it says my platform is. Now watch this carefully. What I would typically have done in the past is I'll go for the MetaTrader for EA, because then the EA will be speaking from my MT4 and connecting to my Myfxbook platform. But these guys have made an update on this, and I've recently found this out, where you can actually use an auto update, so you don't need an EA. With the EA, unless your computer is on and your platform is on, that's when the EA will work. But with the auto update, you don't need to have your computer on. It just auto updates from your platform. Now there are also some drawdowns with the new auto update version. It updates every 30 minutes, but with the MT4 EA it updates every 5 minutes. And now, does that really make too much of a difference? Probably not, because in reality you want to be checking your daily performance, weekly, monthly, and annual performance. So if it's updating every 30 minutes, then it's probably not a problem, as it were. So let's go for the auto update, because this is quick and easy for you to be able to master. So auto update, give it a few seconds, it pops out this information here. So here you want to give it a an account name. So this is a name. Choose any name you want to call it, but in this case I'm just going to call it test account. But you can call it your $1 million account, your retirement account, your whatever, your super account, whatever you choose to call it, managed account. It doesn't matter. That doesn't make you money. Just choose what you want to call it. And then your broker, you want to choose your broker. Now I'm going to select my broker here. It is IC Markets for this account. You can use any account really, but so IC Markets. Yeah, in this case I'm running this test with a demo account, so I'm going to look for the demo server. So here is the server. You've got to find the server. Make sure if it's a live account, you go back to the email your broker sent you, know what the server is, and you can in fact you can go back to your MT4 account. If you go to the MT4 account, you can see the server name here. So this is the account I want to use, and you can see the server name there is IC Markets SC Demo 04. You can see it on yours. You can also see it on the address bar there. So the account number, the IC Markets, then the server So IC Market server name, and then here you get the whether it's a live or demo account. In this case, it's a demo account. Okay, so we can now go find the server here, demo, boom, account number. The account number on that one is 442 677 56, boom. And then the password, you need to also know what your password is on that account, and so you've got to get in the password there, investor password. Now the password being requested here is the investor password. Some brokers give you an investor password and some don't. They just give you one password. That is absolutely fine. Use that same password as well. Put it on there and just go create account. So let's give it a second or so. This might take anything between 5 or 10 and 30 seconds, as it were. Boom. And you can see now it has just told me a new system has been added successfully, and I get a tick there also telling me your account was successfully processed. So this is the first step now. You can go straight to the account, or I would suggest you did the privacy settings first. But let me just show you what take me to my account looks like. So I'm going to open a new tab on this, and so you can see what it looks like now. So if you go there now, you can see it is connected to the account. So it tells me the track record has been verified. But for me to be able to get the trading privileges to be verified as well, I need to then go to the privacy settings and do what I'm going to do now to be able to allow us to do that. So you can see it's connected. I just opened this demo account, so there's no trade there, as it were. But this is exactly what you want to do. To connect to your accounts. If you already have trades on, then it will show up here as well, and you can see it's called test account, and you can find it from portfolio here, and you can see it's test account here now. Okay, so let's just complete the privacy settings first. So we go privacy settings. So here you can see I have the account name, I've got the server, and it tells me about an authorization password. I'll show you what to do with that. But here let's hit connect again, just to connect the account to MT4, and you just hit connect there. It's connecting to your account. Let's see if it establishes a connection. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. It says your account was successfully processed, so it means that this is talking to my account. Now for me to get the second, remember when we looked at this, you can see this is showing that this is an X, is not verified. And the way to verify it, if you go to this message, it says trading privileges are verified when a trader opens a pending order with a key provided by Myfxbook, or the investor password is changed to a password provided by Myfxbook. So you can actually do this, as it were, by going here and taking, you can see this authorization password, take that detail there, copy it, then come back to your platform, and we're just going to open a pending order. So it doesn't matter, this is not a real trade, so I'm just going to go GBP USD, and I'm going to just go for a sell pending order, sell order, stop order here at 1.32077. So I'm just going to go new order, and I'm going to go 0.01. Then in the comment, you must paste that authorization code V. It's Control V, and I've pasted it, or you can type it. It doesn't matter, but just make sure you've got the authorization password. This password here, copy, and make sure it is then pasted on the comment section here. Yeah. And I want to place a pending order, and we want to go sell stop, and I want to do it at 1.32316. I will delete this later because it's not a real trade. 32316 is just for Myfxbook to validate the account that I have the authorization to use the account. That's what it's trying to do here. So I place it, boom. and you can see now I've placed the order. But the important thing to check is you can see comments here. If you're not seeing your comments, right click on the heading here, the title heading here, and make sure you can select comments. Once comments are enabled, you can see I have that code here. Now what will happen is Myfxbook will go and talk to my account, check the open trades, it sees the pending order, it looks at the comments, and if the comments match, it will then prove that my account is authorized, as it were. So that is it really on the setup. And all I need to do now, okay, until that account is fully verified, we cannot share that link with any other person. So you have to get that verified first, allow that verification to complete before you can share it with anybody, as it were. And here we can complete this. We've called it a text account. You can put in any description you want. System type is technical analysis. Trading, because we are trading off the charts, price chart mainly. If you were doing a lot of fundamental analysis, then you use fundamental, but it's technical. Doesn't matter. Trading type, in this case, I'm just going to use manual. If you're trading mixed, automated and order, you can also use mixed. If you're doing only automated, it's automated. But let's just go manual. And you choose what the leverage is on your account. And on that demo account, I actually set it up with a leverage of 1 to 500. And that is it, really. Save. And that's you. Good to go. So when you now come back here and go to test account and open it, close that, it's ready. Now you've got to give it time because it does it every 30 minutes, don't forget. So give that time, and that should then be okay and fully verified. Okay, now you can see both track record verified and trading privileges verified. And so this is after 1 hour or so of placing the trade. So that's it. It is good to go. You can see the one order I placed there. You can see it there. Is a sell pending order, and I'm just gonna, you see it has that authentication code there, and I'm just gonna delete the trade because it wasn't a real trade I was taking for an opportunity. So I'm just going to delete it, and that's it. The account is connected now, and you can do the same for yours too. Okay, just in case after 1 hour or so that you've done this and the account hasn't been updated, you can see here the last update was 1 minute ago. But if you have waited for just over an hour, it's meant to do it every 30 minutes with this system. But if he's not done it in an hour, you can then go back to settings. So go up to your profile there, select settings, and you will, because you just have one, you will have it there. But I've got multiple quite a few number of accounts, and so you just need to come here and edit it. Then within the edit, all you need to do is just to click connect again, and you can see now the account is successfully collected. Please wait until the next update of the account. It says it does it every 5 minutes, but this is actually 30 minutes, because you can see it here, update interval is 30 minutes. Okay, so if you had a problem doing that, that's where you need to go to again. Once again, you can go to profile, then go to the text to the particular account, and that's it. Absolutely connected now. All right, and also the track record verified and trading privileges verified. If you're using this on an existing account that you already trading and you've got history on, please make sure the full history is selected. If you don't select the full history, it will not verify it. So what do I mean by full history? You might come on here and the only result you can see is the current month or custom results. You need to right click in here and select all history. You've got to do that, and when you do that, you then need to go back into the settings at Myfxbook and run the connection again, as it were, and then you should be fine. But even if those things are not verified, as long as the account is connected now, you should be able to pull your data. Okay, any questions, please come back to us, and I'll speak to you later. All right, cheers.